How to create a YouTube channel. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you're wondering how to create a channel, fear not, I got your back. Starting off, launch a YouTube application in your device. To create yourself your very own channel, at the bottom you need to go ahead and tap on your user icon. Tap on Create a Channel. Select on Picture to add a profile picture for your YouTube channel. After that, you can go ahead and create your name for your YouTube channel. Mind it will be visible for all the users on YouTube. After that, your YouTube handle will be automatically created, but you can also edit if you want to. Once done, tap on Create Channel. Just like some of this easy step, you have created yourself very own YouTube channel. Now you can just select on view channel and upload contents or create the contents that you want. You can check the analytics, that is the audience viewer as well. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.